Hi, this is Joel Mayer. Here is how to create the hook of Captain Hook. Take the pattern of the hook in the supporting document and trace it on 14-ply thick cardboard. Cut out the hook with scissors or an exacto knife. To make the hook stronger, you can cut 2 layers of thick cardboard and glue them together with white glue. Take a cardboard ball and cut around the ball above the molding to keep only the bottom of the ball. Draw a line about 1 inch long in the center of the ball and then cut along the line with an exacto knife to make a slit that will allow you to insert the hook through the ball. Insert the handle of the hook through the slit in the ball and glue it in place inside the ball with the glue gun. Put some white glue on both sides of the hook on the outside of the ball. Take a cardboard roll 1 inch in diameter and cut a 3-inch long piece with an exacto knife. Slide the tube you just cut around the part of the hook that is inside the ball. Glue the tube in place with white glue or hot glue. The tube will form a convenient handle to hold the hook. Paint the hook in the colors of your choice. To paint the hook in silver or gold, it is better to start by painting a coat of opaque paint in the same color range as the metallic paint. Let dry. Then add a coat of metallic paint to achieve the desired effect. If you are planning a pirate-themed party, visit the Animaplice website where you will also find a pirate hat, an eye patch, a treasure chest, and a pirate ship. To print the document with illustrated instructions and the pattern of the hook, click on the link below the video